I am unboxing over $10,000 in silver and gold. What did I get in this shipment? Stick around. How you doing, everybody? Welcome to Empire Precious Metals. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I am unboxing over $10,000 in silver and gold. I have an auction every Tuesday night, 8 p.m. Eastern, and I also have my website, empirepreciousmetals.com, in which I also sell silver and gold. And so I've got quite a bit of stuff that just came in all at once, and I want to get this box done first because this is the largest, and I might even do this unboxing video in two separate pieces just because of all the stuff that came in. But this is some pretty sought after gold, so why don't we just get into this box first and see what I got. See what holder to keep them nice and safe. Let's get into this right now. I actually forgot that I bought the Toro. I got the 1 ounce gold Toro, second in the series. I really did forget that I bought this. I was actually looking forward to this item because of just how beautiful the coin is, but it's also what's in here. What did I get? I got 30 more of the 1/10 ounce gold lynxes. Look at all of them. Got 30 more of these. First ever bullion grade coin from Spain. So these are beautiful 1/10 ounce. I believe the mintage somewhere in the ballpark of, what is it, 25,000, 50,000? I forgot the exact number, but I ended up buying 30 more of these coins because they are just really, really popular. A lot of people trying to buy these coins. Yeah, look at all of them. It's like a litter of kittens. Look at all these gold coins. So I want to see what the COAs are all about. This should do it. I'm going to double count this in just a little bit. Let's get this off to the side. All right, so I bought 12 of the boxes, the presentation boxes. Oh, there is no COA. All right, well, there you go. Got the presentation boxes in there. There we go. All right, so I got 30 of the 1/10 ounce gold lynxes and the 1 Toro, so that's 4 ounces of gold there. Let's move all the gold over to the side. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and 30. This is just in time for my auction tomorrow night to 10:25. This is for the Halloween auction. Now, I commissioned a silver pour artist to do these silver pours just for my auction, and really excited. This actually comes from, if you can't already tell the inside, it's coming from Hawaii, from a friend of mine, and this is from C Shop Metals. Working on the name. Oh boy. All right, thank you so much. I'm gonna definitely pig out on that stuff, man. There's the beauties right there that we're looking for. Hawaiian biscuits, dude. You didn't have to do this. Oh, I'm gonna hide this from my kids. We got some, man. We got some more coffee. Dude, all this stuff looks awesome. Oh man. All right. Moment of truth. Check that out. Freddy Krueger. Oh my gosh. Freddy Krueger pour. This must be the prototypes right here. This little pack here has to be the prototypes. All right, let's open these up. All right, there he is, Michael Myers. Look at that. We're going to call him the creepy stalker. Really awesomely done, dude. C-Shop Pours did an awesome job. Any guesses as to what this one is then? Pretty sure you guys are going to be able to guess who this might be. All right, boom. There he is. We're going to call him the zombie goalie. You know exactly who this is. Prototype, the zombie goalie. Bought another collection. And let us see what we've got inside. I got this collection here. Let's see what we got. Got some more copper Scrooges. Got some 1 ounce generic bars. Let's put this off to the side. These are prior to the Libertads, the 1982 Libertads. So we got some 79. So we got some older vintage stuff here. Let's open this up. This is probably one of my biggest unboxings yet. Oh my goodness. Talk about slabbage. Yep. I got a whole bunch of slabs, my friends. Lots and lots of slabs. I got Libertads, some Eagles, just a variety of stuff. Some Eagles. We got some more Libs. Put these off to the side. As I'm banging into everything, some Morgan dollars. This is the Jubilee. Very popular ever since she passed away. So we got some Jubilees. I know that a lot of people are going to want them, which is why I picked them up. These are starting to sell for quite a bit. All right, we'll put the Jubilees off to the side here. Some 10th ounce, I believe these are the 10th ounce Libertads. There we go. Also very, very popular. We got some Somali elephants. Very popular. Some more morbidly obese pandas. More pandas. These pandas, man, they are not cheap. Some Rwanda lunar rabbits. I don't know how I feel about these. They're the stained glass window thing. Some people like them, some don't. More of the... Ooh, we got Spider-Man. There we go. Bonus. We get Spidey. We'll get him on the auction probably tomorrow night. And what else did we get? I forget what else I picked up. Oh, some of the lunar dragons, Year of the Dragons, the half ouncers. Just really, really nice stuff here. Got so much more stuff to unpack. This is from JM Bullion. So we got JM Bullion that sent these silver bars. So that, my friends, is going to be pretty awesome for an upcoming giveaway. We will be doing this on the auction. We got the Halloween pumpkins, Happy Halloween, the witch's hat, and the headless horseman. We'll be doing we'll do 3 as a grand prize giveaway. One separate ones, and then we'll add one to the jackpot for another ounce of silver. So we got those from JM Bullion. Thank you so much, JM, for sponsoring the auction. Last item finally made it to the bottom. I don't know how many of you actually stuck around for this all, but let's see. Oh, yeah, okay. In the not too distant future, not for the Halloween auction, but we got some of these seaplanes. I forget if they're from Barbados. Where were these from? I don't remember. But anyway, seaplanes. All right, guys. So over $10,000 of silver and gold unboxed. The links, coins, the Spider-Man, and obviously the silver pours. I mean, this is going to be an epic auction. The Halloween auction, check that out again. All right, Sleep Demon, Creepy Stalker, Zombie Goalie. These are going to be available for auction. So if you guys miss it, these will probably have others made as well in the series. So anyway, let me know in the comments down below, any of this stuff something that you collect, anything that tickles your fancy. Let me know in the comments down below if any of this stuff caught your eye or if you actually collect any of this stuff.